Good morning, everybody. Oh, it's pouring over here.
It's our wake up call.
Yeah, we woke up to the sound of tornado sirens. So then we went to the shelter with all these other folks. And then the shelter, the warning was lifted. So hi folks. So I'm hitting the road to Birmingham. I'm meeting my mom and my sister to go to a bridal show because my sis is getting married this summer. It's crazy. We're having 2 weddings in less than like a year's time, but it's so great. What a blessing. So I'm hitting the road, gonna stop and get something to eat because I'm starving. So yeah, happy long weekend. As you might have seen earlier today, we were in tornado warning going to the shelter, and now it's kind of cool and breezy and overcast, and it's just a really nice day now. So I'm at Wendy's, and that always happens when I vlog on trips. But I'm at Wendy's and I was like, do you guys have, well, I wanted strawberry lemonade with my 4 for $4, and she's like, we're out of that. And I don't drink carbonated stuff. So I was like, okay, I already have water in the car, and if I'm gonna pay for a drink, I want something that's not water. And so then I was like, do y'all have regular lemonade? And she was like, no, we don't have regular lemonade. And I was like, is the fruit teas extra? And she was like, the fruit. And I was like, the fruit teas? And she was like, the fruit teas? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, that's extra. And I was like, okay, can I just have a pearberry fruit tea? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, oh, the struggles of not having carbonation. And I'm not saying that's her fault. It was just kind of funny. I was just like, oh, no lemonade, what do I do? So no, it's not her fault. I know that it's like out of her control and whatnot. I approve of the pear tea, but they didn't give me my ketchup or my ranch, which just kind of, that's what adds to the chicken nuggets and the fries. It's all good, but now we're hitting the road. Woo! It's my sissy. Hello. This is my mom. And we are in the ham now. We're gonna eat. They know, Aubrey. We're all hip here. Okay. And we're gonna eat at either Firebird's Grill or Brick's Pizza Place. We don't know yet.
I don't know where that's coming from.
They are jamming up there. Wow. It's so windy. So windy. And we just hiked up a big hill, but hey, we made it.
First Mary's up there.
Well, that's funny. So we ended up going to Moe's Barbecue because the other place was too crowded. It was muy delicioso. I'm in trouble because I was trying to be smart and remember where the Galleria was, and we came out the different direction and I got confused, and now I'm causing us to go down the highway 2 miles to get on this exit. We're looking for hiking pants. So look at Aubrey being all bougie. No, I brought it with me. These bathrooms are even so fancy. Where is that? Where did we put it? We just raced through the whole store because we realized it closed at 9 and we were about to get locked in. And this is not the right exit.
No, that way. What closed? Right.
I don't know. It might have been women's.
No.
Or the left. No, it was the shoes. It was the shoes. My little guy. I'm so worried. Try it.
But you'll get a little ball on your face.
What do you look?
That's inappropriate. Her dress inappropriate. Oh.
Don't put it. Oh, I look horrible. Oh my god. So
Don't put this on YouTube. Do not. I swear. Oh my gosh, I got a booger.
You're gonna get arrested.
No, I
for
have
saying
it.
that.
Glitter. Turn this off. Don't act like a baby.
Do you have a pen?
No.
Good. Here, you want to hold my hand? I'm barely
you're
touching
okay.
it. It's really hurt that bad already. I'm barely touching it.
You got a cyst, that's what it is.
Ow!
I'll pinch you down here so you don't tell.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
Oh, your breast stings too. Don't breathe so much.
I can't help it.
I was gonna say inhale real big and then blow it out like you're having a baby.
Yeah. Push! Emery, just squeeze my leg or something.
I am.
Doesn't feel like it. You could squeeze harder than that. Yeah, it's a cyst for sure. We're gonna have to cut it open. Dr. Pimple Popper told me. Emery, quit crying. Little baby.
It's a breakfast time. So cold today. We're heading to church. We're going to Shades Mountain Baptist Church. So, this is where Mom went in her 20s.
You guys working? Right there. That's good.
Well, the mess looks good.
The gift is not wrapped.
That's totally
And I'm so sorry.
It's all good. Will you? Yes. Absolutely. Woohoo! My mom actually asked me like the other day.
Aubrey, what
That's so
happened
cool.
at church today?
My friend showed up.
My friend from school, who now lives in Birmingham, and I haven't seen her in a few months, was at church today, and she was just visiting.
And
we
they
didn't even
almost
know.
didn't visit this church today. And they were like, yeah, we should check out this church. And so, what do you know? So they sat with us, and then Aubrey asked her to be a bridesmaid.
There's like, how do you want to navigate this? There's like all the way
think we should get
around,
no
idea.
up, down. So maybe go around that way.
So if you want, he wants one flavor, you want another flavor, we can set that up. So what I brought, we have a new chocolate.
And then delivering, don't do that.
Confetti on the
Shot us with confetti! Yay! This is why we actually come to a bridal show. Right here.
Scott. I'm glad you're there to console your lady, because I might have got hurt. Okay, so the lights are right, it's hard to see. I got a lady over here, I got one right here, I got 1, 2 in the back. If you're getting married between 3 and 6 months, take a seat. Take a seat, 3 to 6 months. What have I got left? I got some people standing. We're still 30. Hands come out now, they're working hard, they need your encouragement. Put those hands together.
Just with me. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
So you'll take this card and you'll go over to the rectified information desk and they're going to give you the information. Thank you. Okay, let's hear the next one. Scream a little louder.
It's so cold. We had a great time at the bridal show.
Yes.
And
Aubrey won.
Aubrey won 2 contract things. Like it's like a drawing that they'll like give her a discount on some vendors. So that was fun.
And I got a free bouquet.
She got a free bouquet and a free rose. And she also proposed to me. So that was special. So great day.
Island's church there. It's real pretty.
Oh, that's really pretty.
I went to that restaurant.
There was look at the puppy dogs. It's the Whittles.
Kimberly's brother has a house
Oh, his house is nice. Look at those puppies. Oh. But that was where there was a video posted out one year that had people I guess they're from that church, the Highlands Church right there, right?
I don't know.
Anyway, these people that did a worship song right there in front of the church. Mom's first house with Dad. It's cute.
Mercury.
Front door. We close at 7 p.m. Don't stay.
You need to talk louder so our customers can hear.
Welcome to Field and Stream. Welcome to my crib. Come on in.
Wow.
Oh, I'm not even near.
This is a grand entrance.
Only. I was just joking.
Funny. You don't even know your own house. You have a large collection of everything. Did you kill all of these?
By myself.
You killed all those?
This is my living room.
We're leaving Birmingham. We got
Emery's
some Arby's. We go to this gas station, okay? And the first pump we went to, like the 87 gas was not working. And like nothing was coming out. Nope, it was not coming out.
User default.
So then we moved to a new one. And at first, instead of clicking enter, I accidentally clicked the call button and it called the cashier, which is exactly what happened at Field and Stream. I accidentally pushed the help button. This guy's watching. And then right after that, I thought this one was broken too. And I was like, Aubrey, the pump is broken. And she was like, Emery, it says lift handle. I thought lift handle was lift up the nozzle and put it in your car. But no, it's not. So, it's working. It was broken.
No, it was Emery's fault.